And now, your First Alert 5 weather.
Starting with the almanac, yesterday was gorgeous. A high of 57 in the Springs, 59 in Pueblo, and today is going to be very similar. Temperatures are going to be climbing now that the sun is up. Temperatures right now starting into the teens and 20s across the state. So it's definitely cold to start. You do need to bundle up accordingly, but this afternoon, shedding some layers. It's going to be an awesome day and about 10 degrees above average once again to 59 in Pueblo, 55 in the Springs, totally clear sky and light winds. So weather's pretty boring for the next couple of days and pleasant if you want to get out and about. We'll be to the 50s or low 60s in the eastern plains, 50s up and down I-25, mostly 40s for our mountain valleys, and Alamosa getting above freezing today to the upper 30s. Tonight, very similar to where we're starting this morning. Teens and 20s out there. And then by Monday afternoon, it's going to be our warmer day of the week ahead to 62 in Pueblo, 58 in the Springs, near 70 for Springfield. And then we've got a big change ahead starting on Tuesday. First cold front actually arrives Monday night. We'll have a couple secondary cold fronts that continue to pull in air from Canada, and it's going to get frigid, especially Wednesday and Thursday. Our highs will be in the teens and 20s across the region. Plus, we're also going to get some snowfall on top of this cold air. So by Tuesday evening, this is what the simulated radar looks like. Northern Colorado I-25 corridor filling in with snow for the evening commute, and we're starting to get going here for the southern I-25 corridor. That continues to expand across the region, the Front Range and the plains through Wednesday morning. Wednesday morning's commute will be tough. Any travel on Wednesday will be tough as it continues to snow, finally wrapping up by just before sunrise on Thursday. So this is a bit of a different system than we've had all season so far. We've had a lot of quick hitters that move in and really snow for less than 12 hours. But this event's going to be a solid day and a half of off and on snow showers and pretty significant accumulations across the region. So from the eastern plains, I think a solid 2-inch range is likely at this point. I have anywhere between about 1 to 3, 2 to 4 for you. Along I-25, most of us seeing 2 to 3 inches plus, with about 2 to 3 for Pueblo, Trinidad 2 to 4, Walsenburg, and into the wet mountains, southern mountains. This is going to be our hardest hit zones with around a half a foot range or more. And then into the Pikes Peak region, I have really about 3 to 5 anywhere you are, Woodland Park, Monument, Colorado Springs. So this is definitely snow that you will have to shovel, and you'll want to hunker in and stay nice and cozy inside because it's also going to get cold. So some of the things you need to know as far as planning things out: that snow begins Tuesday evening. It lasts all day Wednesday. Main impacts here will be the widespread snow and bitter cold with dangerous travel across the state. So I've upped us to a storm impact 3 out of 5. On Wednesday. This is going to interrupt your plans. If you're going to be outside, that wind chill will feel below 0 all day. So that's dangerous cold for us if you don't have a bunch of layers on and you're staying warm and dry. And then we are staying cold but clearing out on Thursday. For Pueblo, looking forward to snow showers moving in Tuesday night into Wednesday. Your wind chill will feel less than 10 degrees all day, and only a high of 22 is what the air temperature will be reading, with a couple inches of snowfall accumulation. Canyon City, I've upped you to an impact 3 out of 5 on Wednesday because of the more significant snow accumulations I have for you. And do expect that cold air. You're not going to escape it up in the upper Arkansas this time. Woodland Park, looking forward to bitter cold to a high of 15 on Wednesday, -7 that night. Plus on top of that, we'll see some snow. So if we're going to get this cold, at least we're going to see some snowfall across the region, Ashley.
Yeah, Alex, it seems like we're seeing those very pleasant temperatures. It kind of feels like the calm before the snowstorm that's coming a little bit later. And man, do those temperatures sure dip down very, very cold and very low when we do end up seeing that snow later this week.
Yeah, well put.